Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Linksys Velop Pro 7. This powerful mesh Wi-Fi system will ensure you have fast and reliable internet throughout your entire home. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Linksys Velop Pro 7. Inside the box, you'll find 3 Velop nodes, Ethernet cables, power adapters and quick start guide. Make sure you have everything you need before we proceed. Step 1. Download the app. Download the Linksys app on your smartphone. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Step 2. Connect the first node. Connect the first Velop node to your modem. Plug in the power adapter and connect the Ethernet cable from the node to your modem. Wait for the light on the node to turn solid blue, which indicates it's ready. Step 3. Follow the app instructions. Open the Linksys app and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the setup process, including naming your network and setting a password. Step 4. Place and connect additional nodes. Place the additional Velop nodes around your home to ensure maximum coverage. Ideally, place them in central locations on each floor. Plug them in and wait for the lights to turn solid blue. Use the app to add each additional node to your network. The app will help you find the best locations and connect them to the main node. Step 5. Test your network. Test your network by walking around your home and checking the Wi-Fi signal on your devices. Make sure you have strong coverage in every room. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Linksys Velop Pro 7 mesh Wi-Fi system. Enjoy seamless and fast internet throughout your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.